In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock. Now tap on alarm at the bottom left corner and use this plus at the bottom right one. Now you can adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on ringtone. Tap on one of those options to apply the best one and go back, or select all ringtones at the bottom. Over here, by clicking on pre-installed ringtones, you can click on apply next to the best one for you and save it by hitting OK in the pop-up. By clicking on this plus at the bottom right corner, you can click on one of those sound sources and pick any song from your device instead. Just click on your song and save it by hitting this check mark at the bottom left corner. Now to apply it, click on apply next to it and confirm your choice by hitting OK. When you finish, go back and click on this switcher next to the light after goes off to enable or disable this option if you want to use this alarm only once. If you don't, click on repeat and apply the best option for you. Daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. After tapping on custom, you can choose days of the week manually and save them by clicking on OK. Then go back and click on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to enable or disable haptic feedback for this alarm. You can even choose label and name your alarm however you want to. To save its name, hit set, and to save your alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To make some changes, click on it, tap on additional settings and change whatever you want to. Then use the same check mark. To turn it off completely, tap on blue switcher next to it and click on one of those options. To turn it back on, hit the same, now gray one. If you wish to, you can also tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and adjust all of them. When you finished, hit additional alarm settings and manage all of those as well. Last but not least, to get rid of any of your alarms, hold the chosen one and click on delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!